Okay, final thing that we got to do here from this section 5.8 is the present value of an income stream. So we'll say, say PV of an income stream. And so what we say if the interest rate R, or if the interest rate is R, then we say the present value of an income stream, so of an income stream paying out R of T dollars per year we'll say continuously for T years is, so here's our equation, it's the integral from 0 up to T of R of T e to the negative RT dt. So this is the present value of an income stream. So our last example from the section is going to be based off of this. It says we got an investment pays out 800,000 pesos per year continuously for 5 years. Okay, and what we want to do is find the present value of the investment for R equals 0.4 and for R equals 0.6. So find present value of investment for R equals 0.4 and R equals 0.6 or 0.06. Okay, so present value on the income stream, we're looking at the integral from 0 up to 5 because we're doing this integral over 5 years. R of T is the amount of dollars that we're paying out, so that's 800,000. We have e to the negative 0.04 t, and then this is all dt. So if we go to integrate this, we get 800,000s out front, I guess we could say. And we get the integral from 0 to 5 of just e to the negative 0.4 t dt. So this will equal 800,000 up front. When you go to integrate, e is its own derivative, so we have e to the negative 0.04 t. But if we took the derivative of this part, the chain rule would kick out an extra negative 0.04. So we need to divide this by 0.04. And this will be the antiderivative. So we want that expression evaluated from 0 up to 5. So this will be 800,000 e to the negative 0.04 times 5, all that over negative 0.04, minus 800,000 e to the negative 0.04 times 0, all that over negative 0.04. So I'm going to go through and just calculate out that. So 800,000 e to the negative 0.04 times 5, all that divided by negative 0.04. Then we subtract from that 800,000 e to the negative 0.04 times 0, all that divided by negative 0.04. And that will equal 362538.94 pesos. So basically, that is the present value of the income stream when the interest rate's 0.4. If we look at this and we want to do the interest rate is 0.6, if we looked at the 0.4, we saw that for the interest rate being 0.4, we got this 0.4 here, a 0.4 there, a 0.4 here, and a 0.4 here. So instead of doing the full integration again, we can just use our information from the previous step, and we can just swap the interest rate part out for the 0.6 interest rate instead of the 0.4 interest rate. So we get that. So let me swap that out in what I typed into my calculator real quick. And then we'll see what the present value of the income stream is at the higher interest rate. And so when we do that, we get this would equal 345557.06 pesos. And we can see the higher the interest rate, since it has a higher interest rate, you invest less money here and it will grow to the same amount over the 5 years, as which is why the present value of this one is smaller than the present value of the lower interest rate. Is you have to invest, since this has a higher interest rate, you can invest less money now, and that would be that would grow to the same amount. When you have a lower interest rate, you have to invest a little bit more money to get it to grow to the same rate. So that is wrapping up this section, so we'll stop there on section 5.8.